Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using 4 of these pieces of plank wood I got from Dollar Tree. I paint each of those with Plaster colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. I then take the scrapbook paper I got from Temu and I trace out all 4 of those and cut those pieces out. Then I take each of those pieces and fold it in half, and this is just so I can cut out the center of them. I leave about a 1/4 inch, maybe a little more on either side, and then cut across those to cut out a rectangle in the center. I do that to all 4 pieces. I then add Mod Podge to the back of the paper and place it on the plank wood and smooth that out and then dry those completely. I sand off all of the excess paper on each of those and then add a layer of Mod Podge to the top of each of them. Next, I'm taking these 2.5-inch wood letters I got from Amazon and I paint those with Italian Sage acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart. I then take those and place them one on each of the plank wood and apply tacky glue to the backs of those to attach them. And then once I move on to the second one, I just hold them up together to just eyeball the height that I would need each of them. Once the glue is set on those, I'm taking them and flipping them over, just making sure I'm going in the right order, using my square to get them even and using tumbling blocks for spacing. I then trim up a piece of the burlap ribbon. This is not wired, and I hot glue so it goes across both of those pieces, and then continue that with the other 2 pieces of plank wood. Next, I am hot gluing some of these sticks to the backs of each of them. These I got from Dollar Tree a long time ago, but if you don't have these, you could just use sticks from your yard. Those will work just fine. I then flip them over and add Spanish moss to the top of each of the pieces of plank wood and a little bit on those stems. I then made some raffia bows and hot glued those right at the bottom of the stem. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.